Hi everyone, my name's Dallin and I'm a senior consultant at Solved. And today we're going to be talking about Agentforce and if it has the ability to help you and your company identify duplicate cases. So, can Agentforce identify duplicate cases? The honest answer is it depends. There are things that Agentforce can do to help you in certain situations to identify duplicate cases and work through them faster. But there are some situations where Agentforce might not be the answer, and you might have to go a little bit more custom with your solution. So today we're going to walk through 3 scenarios and if Agentforce can help you identify those duplicate cases in each of the scenarios. The scenarios we're going to be talking about are same issue, same company, same issue, different date, and same issue, different company. So let's start with the scenario of same issue, same company. Let's say that company A, Jim, who works there, is reaching out about an issue that they're having, and he is coming to you to hopefully find a solution. But unbeknownst to Jim, there's another employee at his company who's run into the same issue who has already raised that case as well with your company. Is there a way for Agentforce to identify those 2 cases and flag them as duplicate? The honest answer is Salesforce doesn't really have an out-of-the-box solution for this yet. Agentforce is not something that will roll right in and help you identify cases like this. If you are having this issue, if this is a pain point that your company is experiencing, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to talk you through some of the ways that this is solvable. It just would get a little bit more custom. We would talk about something like an Apex trigger, where we can go in and flag some of those duplicate fields to say, hey, these cases came in around the same time. They're both from the same account, and it looks like the subjects are fairly similar. Maybe these cases are duplicates and you have 2 people working on the exact same thing. So Agentforce, maybe not the solution there. How about same issue, different date? So let's go back to Jim. Jim raised his concern and we were working through it with him. We found the solution. We closed the case. All is well. And then a couple months later, Jim runs into the same issue and he is reaching back out to say, hey, I need help again. Is this something Agentforce can help you with? The answer to this is yes, this might be a case where Agentforce is able to help you close some of these reoccurring cases faster, or even elevate their priority to say, hey, this issue is a reoccurring issue. Let's make it more of a priority. This is where something like an automated case classification, where we can implement Einstein and have it look at your closed case data and use that to predict values for new cases so that your employees can step in and already know, hey, there's a related case that happened a few months ago. Maybe this can help us with the solution, or maybe we need to pay a little bit more attention. This is a higher priority because we already have a case where we've tried to address this issue. All right, the last scenario we'll talk about is the same issue, but at different companies. Jim raised his issue. Maybe you're still working on it. Maybe you're not. Maybe it is resolved and it's a closed case. And then someone from company B is also reaching out about the same issue. Is this another scenario where Agentforce can help us? And again, the answer is it depends. There are definitely things that Agentforce can help with in this scenario. So let's talk about a few of them. The thing that I always like to bring up in these scenarios is service agents within Agentforce. Service agents can help your users that are coming to you for help and say, hey, I have this issue. And the agent can help walk them through this. It's AI-powered assistance, real-time updates, and it helps streamline your information. The other things that we can bring up, we've already talked about a little bit. Automated case classification. We can see, hey, we already worked through this with Jim. Here's another situation, even though it's at another company, we already have a solution. And let's suggest some of those field values so that we can work through it quickly and efficiently. If these are things that you are running into, some concerns that you and your team have, please feel free to reach out to us. All right, Becca, I ran out of a little bit of time at the end there, so I want to just do this last slide and then hopefully you can splice it together so that it goes in nicely, because I just wanted to spend a little bit more time on this last slide. So I will do that here in 3, 2. So again, if these are some of the issues that you're running into, please feel free to reach out to us. Let's have a conversation about where your pain points are with duplicate cases. And let's start to solution how, if Agentforce is the answer, how we can get Agentforce working within your company. And if Agentforce isn't the answer, what maybe a more custom route looks like so that we can help your service agents get out there and help your customers to be even better. Thanks so much for your time. Have a wonderful day.